Hey everyone, Justin Bennett from TurboBeads here to bring you a creative idea. This is the bead skull cube. The bead skull cube. Recently I came up with the idea on doing something daily in order to keep my mind focused on beads. So the idea was just to make something, and it was bead cubes. Now, thinking inside the box, obviously everybody knows there are different shapes and sizes of beads, and I stumbled upon some extra skull beads that I had and decided I was gonna use that and stick within that box. So I decided to make a skull cube. I didn't know it was going to be possible. First looking at it, just because of the shape of the beads, they're a little bit obscure. They're not the same as the regular pony beads. So looking at it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna see if this is even possible. And at first, like I said, I didn't think it was going to be possible, but after messing around with it for a while, tinkering around for a while, I realized that it was possible. It's like making another bead cube, but there are a few things that you have to do a little bit different. This isn't necessarily a tutorial, but it has the same steps as the bead cube, and the key things that you have to do is ensure that the beads on the bottom of the skull, so the mouths are together and the heads are away from each other. That way, because the beads will line up as if they were straight beads. Either way, it's all about challenging yourself, doing something different, and this was definitely a different challenge. It takes a little bit longer to assemble the bead skull cube other than the regular one because of the shape, but it's a challenge. It's definitely a challenge. It's fun. I would say give it a try. It came out pretty well. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Like I said, it is looking all right. But yeah, I would say challenge yourself every day. It's okay to think inside of the box. So give it a try.